Alright, here we go. Let's have a look at the AppleWise 3-point SD card. Now this is a 10 class for ultra high speeds, and we also have the Cyberflow Mini DV action cam. You can have a look at all the specifics, guys. Let's just go ahead and open up the box. I can tell you that it shoots 720p 30 frames per second and also 1080p 30 frames per second. You can see you have like this proprietary charger with an AV connection on there. And you have some GoPro adapters and accessories, and you even have a little lanyard you can wear it on your neck. Now this will take up anywhere between an 8 gig to 32 gig SD card, and the battery is 230 milliamp. It takes about 48 minutes worth of film, guys, and about 2 hours to charge from dead. You see you have a little spot for your SD card, and then when you would charge it up. I like this little housing for it. It's very compact. You have your power button, you have your mode button. You can take it out the case if you want to. You can pretty much stick this anywhere, guys. It can be like a little hidden mini cam. Now one of the things you have to do is you have to toggle between the modes to go between 720p and 1080p, and also to go between taking pictures. Now this is the 32 gig card. Now this is a 10 class. It's ultra high speed, so you can even use this for 4K videos. Go ahead and put the card in there, power it on, and you can see what I'm talking about those colors right there. It's gonna flash green, it's gonna flash blue. Don't be dismayed, people. Everything you need to know is included in the user manual. So once it's flashing, it is recording. You just want to make sure that if you want to record in 720p, you have it in the right mode, or 1080p, you have it in the right mode. The file format is AV format. The lens is 2.8 with a 5 glass. You get up to 160 degrees when you're looking through this. Now this is the thing that I love about it. You can just put all these little adapters on it, so every little accessory that a GoPro have, because of this little adapter and the design of the case, you can use this with the GoPro accessories. So you can put it on the bike, you can put it on the dashboard of the car, you can do all of these things with it. And my favorite part is the little lanyard. You can put it on your neck. That's pretty much what we have, guys. Let's go ahead and look at the camera quality.
Hey, how you doing?
So this is pretty much the look you're going to get from the camera. 1080p, 720p, 30 frames per second, and this is how it's going to look if you have a still picture of it, so you can get a real good sense of how wide the lens is. Now what can you use this for? You can use this for a camera, guys, if you want to just hide it somewhere and monitor something. Also, if you have like a RC car or something like that, you don't want to mount your GoPro on that if you're doing crazy tricks and stuff. You can use this for that. I mean, you can think of tons of things to do with it. You can use it as a dashboard cam. It's cheap, it's affordable, which makes it disposable. So shout out to Gear Best for sending this over to the channel. It's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.